Okay, so welcome back to another episode. I have to say, walking around, I've never been to Auschwitz, but seeing so many old red brick buildings and all these old chimneys and stuff, it's a very eerie feeling. Anyhow, here's a couple of dogs running towards me. Hope they don't attack me. Little feckers. Oh, hey, that's okay. But going to this old tower now, so I'm going to do a bit of filming here. So it turns out those dogs were friendly. That's good. I still have my limbs intact. I think I need to take a turn up this way to go to the tower that way. Slightly out of breath walking around here actually. Technically there's no filming here. Security stopped me twice. No drones either, so good thing I didn't get that footage. But I kind of wanted to come up to see this old tower as well. So that's enough talking for me. Back to some photos and video.